Hi guys, today we have a new topic. Our topic for today is sounds across culture, and it's for translation and creative speech session number 9. Paralanguages refers to the non-sound that speakers can use to modify the meaning of their speech. Let's take a look at these two examples. Here we have the international sound of eating. As you can see, the sound will vary depending on the culture. On this other side, we have the sound for sneezing. This too will vary depending on the culture. Power and clarity. The volume at which we speak conveys meaning that varies across culture. For example, British English speakers use volume to convey anger, but Indian English speakers use loudness to command attention. There are also cross-culture difference in the normal baseline volume of the speech. For example, Asians and Europeans speak at a lower volume than Americans do. Pitch. In case you don't know the meaning of pitch, I have it here for you. It's the quality of sound governed by the rate of vibrations producing it, or the degree of highness or lowness of a tone. There are significant pitch difference across culture. For example, Japanese females adopt an extremely high pitch, separating themselves acoustically from Japanese males. Whereas for English speakers, the male pitch is less differentiated from the female pitch. Emotional vocalization. Nonverbal emotional vocalizations, particularly those associated with positive emotions, vary across cultures. For example, screams and laughs. Yes, screams and laughs do too change depending on the culture. Let's take a look at these examples. Here we have how to laugh in other languages. As you can see, they vary depending on the culture. And on this other side, you have how to cry in 6 different languages. Intonation. Example of intonation failure across culture. Now analyze what went wrong here. Indian and Pakistani employees in a cafeteria at London Heathrow Airport were perceived by the airport staff who ate there to be quite rude. This was because they failed to use a rising intonation with the word gravy. Because the Asian employee's intonation fell at the end, the British diners interpreted it as gravy. Take it or leave it. The failing intonation was seen as abrupt and rude. In British English, the rising intonation with gravy implies a polite question. Would you like gravy? Silence. Silence implies different things across culture. Silence can be used for face saving, conveying positive or negative emotions, communicating consequent or decent, making approval or disapproval, or for social bonding or alienation. As you can see here, we have two examples in the different use of silence. I'll give you a few minutes so you can read them. And for today's class, what you have to do is work the sound cross-culture worksheet, where you have to take a look at the 12 pictures that I sent and convey an emotion for each one. Okay, so if you look at this little kitten, you may say, "Aww." And that's what you have to write down in Spanish and then the English translation. Okay, so this is all for today, guys. I really hope to see you soon. And blessings to all of you.